In this problem, an aeroplane has to go along a straight line from A to B and back again. The relative speed with respect to wind is V and the wind blows perpendicular to the line AB with small v. The distance between A and B is L. So we need to find the total time for the round trip. So a plane has to go from point A to a point B separated by a distance L. The velocity of the plane with respect to air is capital V and wind is blowing with a velocity small v. So the plane has to be directed at some angle with velocity v such that in the time t it travels a distance vt, and during that time the wind makes it drifted to point B from C and it is equal to V into T. So from this particular triangle ABC we can write L to be equal to under root Vt square minus small vt square, that is under root capital V square minus small v square into T. So time taken for one-way journey to be L by root V square minus small v square. This is for one-way journey. Similarly, to return from B to A, it has to again direct to a point D and wind will make it drifted to point A, and again in this situation also the time taken is same. So for round trip total time taken is 2t and that is equal to 2L by under root V square minus V square. So the correct answer is option A.